today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset ClickUp password. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to change so your account stays secure and easy to access. First, open your ClickUp account. You can do this in a browser or the desktop app, whichever you normally use. Make sure you're signed into the correct workspace so the settings you change apply to the right place. If you have multiple workspaces, it helps to quickly confirm you're in the one you use most. A stable internet connection is also important here, since we'll be saving an account change. Next, click your profile. On the web, you'll typically find your profile picture or initials in the lower left corner. On mobile, or some layouts, it may appear at the top. Clicking this opens your personal menu, which is where all your account options live. If you don't see your avatar, look for a small user icon. It serves the same purpose. Now choose Settings from that menu. This takes you to your account preferences. Settings is the central place for updating your personal details and, most importantly for today, your password. Give the page a moment to load. Sometimes there are several sections. From here, scroll down through your settings until you see the password area. It's usually labeled clearly and may sit near other security-related options. If you don't spot it right away, keep scrolling. Some layouts group these controls toward the bottom. The goal is simply to locate the field where password changes are made. When you find it, enter your new password. In most cases, you'll be asked to confirm your current password first, then type the new one and retype it to confirm. Choose a password that's strong and unique. Aim for a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers and symbols, or use a long passphrase made of unrelated words. Avoid anything easy to guess, like common words, keyboard patterns, or personal details. Double check that caps lock isn't on and that your keyboard layout is correct to prevent typos. Once you've entered and confirmed the new password, look for a Save or Update button to apply the change. You should see a brief confirmation letting you know it worked. If you don't see a password option at all, your workspace might use single sign-on managed by your organization, which can hide individual password changes. In that case, check with your admin for guidance. That's it. You opened your ClickUp account, went to your profile, entered settings, scrolled to the password section, and set a new, stronger password. Keep it safe, consider using a reputable password manager, and you're good to go.